Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another ButcherBox unboxing. So if you're new to my channel and you've never seen one of these ButcherBox unboxings before, what ButcherBox is it's basically a subscription service where you get like organic, free-range meat delivered to you directly to your door. And we've really enjoyed it as a family. I think the meats that you get in here is really high quality. That's why I've continued to order them. Also important to note, this video isn't sponsored or anything like that. I purchase all the boxes with my own money. If you are interested in purchasing one, I do have a little like promo code sort of thing down below. If you're interested, you can use that and save off your first box, and then it just helps me save off one of my future boxes. So check that out if you're curious down below. It typically fluctuates between like $15 and $30 off your first box. Other ways you can save on these boxes are, if you're a student, there's a student discount through Unidays, or you can use Rakuten for cash back, and I'll have a link to that one down below. I think right now it's like about $4 cash back on your first box, but that one again fluctuates all over the place. And there typically is a bonus for signing up for that one as well. So just different ways you can save on your box. I always try and find the best way to save, so thought I'd just share some of those tips. But this box is going to include a whole bunch of things because typically I order my boxes with like a 2-month frequency. And so basically we've run out of all of our previous ButcherBox things by the time our new box comes. So that's why I do the 2-month one. And then typically I'll do one of the base boxes. So this one I believe is the pork and beef box. And then I add on some of the extra things. So in this box I have some of the Black Friday specials that they were having, just because basically you can add on things all throughout the period before your box comes. So basically, in between when I got my last box, which was my Thanksgiving turkey box, and this box, there was like Black Friday, there were some Christmas specials and things like that. So I've been adding in promos all throughout then, and then I just basically arrive at my finished box, whatever I've added throughout that period. And you can also take things out as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'll show you what came in my box. And then also in this video, I'm gonna scroll through on the website and just show you all the things you can get if you are interested. So I'll just log into my account and show you basically if I wanted to do a custom box, what could you possibly get in a custom box? And then all the available add-ons that they have right now, because you can't really see those things unless you create an account. So I'll just give you a little sneak peek into what I see inside my account. So let's get started. So starting off here with the different box options, you can first do what's called a your choice, which just means you choose 5 things to go in your box. You can do a mixed box, which is beef, pork, and chicken. Then they just select 5 things for you out of those categories. And then you can do different variations of that. So beef and chicken, beef and pork, or all beef. So if you do the your choice box, it is a little more expensive. So you can either, okay, so this one actually comes with 6, and then it's $149. Or you can go all the way up to 12, and then it's $270. At the time I'm filming this too, everything could change. And then basically what you do is you just go through and you click to add things to your box. So let's say I wanted to add 2 of the 1-pound beef, stew beef. Then it's gonna move on to the chicken. Pork, seafood, and then I feel like the seafood is the one where it's kind of out of stock a lot. So these ones change quite often, I found. And then lastly, there are these other ones that are called member favorites. You can do hot dogs or ground turkey. Okay, yeah, so right now I have the beef, chicken, and pork box, and it's $129. Right now I don't have any add-ons because I just received my box, and I don't have any member deals added on. I do have my Bacon for Life one though that I just paid for in my last box. So let's go to the add-ons and see what's available right now. So these are the add-ons with the different prices. And then if you go to the deals, here it's going to take you to some of the deals they have right now. So typically if you're in the deals category, they have some sort of discounts going on. This is also where you'll find a lot of like the Black Friday deals and things like that. So there's a lean meat bundle, a keto bundle, chicken tenders, and that looks like all the deals right now. So that's just a little overview of the website and the different products they have available. So these are all the things I should have in my box. As you can see, my order went through on the 13th, it shipped on the 14th, and then I got it on the 15th, so a really quick turnaround. And some of these are things that I've added on, other ones are in the base box. So on the other side of my screen right now, I'll put the prices, so the total breakdown, and that way you can match up different things. But I should have a total of 11 things in my box. So first up, I have one of the 3 packs of chicken. This is 2.74 pounds. And they do the same thing that like Costco does, where you get it in the 3 little servings. Next up, I have some of the pork breakfast sausage. And I think they did change the recipe for this, or like the components for this at some point, because when we first started ordering the box, we loved this stuff. Tasted so good. But now you can see it's like really, really fatty, and I don't think it tastes as good. So I was curious if it was just like a one-time change, or if they've changed it permanently. And it does look like they've changed it permanently. I should have 2 of these. Yeah, so we have 2 of these, and it looks like both of these, we probably won't like these too much. So I'm probably gonna stop adding on the pork breakfast sausage, just because now I feel like it's not quite as good as it was originally. So this will probably be our last time adding this on, but this was one of the Black Friday specials. I think it was buy one, get one free. Next up, I have the ground beef. So it's 85% lean, 15% fat, and each one of these is 1 pound. I have some of the St. Louis style ribs. This one's almost 3 pounds. And again, for the pork, it's no antibiotics, all vegetarian fed, no hormones added. Now we have 2 of the top sirloin steaks. It looks like 4 ounces, 3 servings, so I should have 12 ounces here. This was one of the new items I added this time. So this is the all-natural bratwurst. I want to say, because we really like this Niman Ranch, I'm not sure how to say it. I should have more things by them in my box. But we really like the Apple Gouda Sausage by the same brand. So that's why I added this one, because I figured this would be good as well. But in this package, you get 12 ounces for bratwurst. Okay, here's the other 2 of the top sirloin steaks. This one I think I added on for the first time ever this time too. So this is 2 of the grass-fed beef stew meat. So total I have 32 ounces or 2 pounds. So each one of these is going to be 1 pound. So it should just be like what you typically get at the grocery store. It's like cut into little cubes. So these ones are my favorite item from ButcherBox. So these are the Apple Gouda Sausage. No antibiotics ever. All vegetarian fed, gluten-free. Each one of them is 12 ounces. And this time I added 2 of them because I like these a lot. And then the last thing I have in here is the bacon. So this time I decided to try that free bacon for life thing. So basically what that is sometimes they have a promo that you can add on where basically you pay $25 one time, and then in every box that you get in the future, you'll always get one pack of bacon that you don't have to pay for. So this was my first box adding that on. I just kind of figured that I've been ordering from ButcherBox for so long that I feel like it would probably actually be good for me to just add this, add that at this point. So here's my first bacon order. So I just went through and double checked that everything I ordered is here, and it is. So I'm just gonna go through the prices real quick. So first, as I just mentioned, the bacon for life is $25. The Apple Gouda sausages, these ones were actually two different prices. I think as I added one on Black Friday and the other one just regularly. So one of them was $6, the other one was $7. The bratwurst was $5. The breakfast sausage was buy one, get one free at a cost of $9. So it was $9 for both of them. And then my box this time, I actually did the mixed box, so that's why I have chicken as well. So these are the 5 items that came in my box. So I have the boneless, skinless chicken breast, the ribs, 2 things of ground beef, 4 top sirloin steaks, and then 2 pounds of stew meat. Those are the 5 items, these count as 1. Those are the 5 items that come in the base box, and that base box is $129. And then everything gets free shipping as well. So I hope that little breakdown helped a little bit to clarify. These ones are add-ons, those ones are the base box. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.